So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a Shopify access token. So the first thing you want to do is from the admin panel, go all the way down to settings, open that. From here you can see general, plan, billing, users, payments, checkout, stuff like that. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see options like policies, customer, apps, and sales channels. So click on apps and sales channels. From here, you can see installed, uninstalled, and you can see this grayed out button that says develop apps. So let's click on that. From here, you can see start developing apps on your store, develop your own apps to integrate your store's data. Apps development should only be done by trusted developers on your team. Apps can give API access, and that data can be accessed outside of Shopify. All apps are subject to the Shopify API license and terms of use, so make sure that you read through those terms of use, and from there you can allow custom app development. By clicking this button, you will receive a token for access that you can use as an app developer on the Shopify system. So you can use it as a means to develop your own apps, and that you can gather some info about your app development and how many users actually benefit from and use your app on the Shopify platform. So it's through here, by allowing custom app development, that you can access and get your own token. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.